to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Umkhanyo. I decided that I have to actually have a formal introduction. I just don't know how I'm going to do it, but with time I'll eventually figure it out. I realized that my previous video did not have an introduction whatsoever. I just got into it, told people, hi, how are you? Good, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I just got into cooking. So I'm just here to just say hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Umkhanyo. My name is Bonolo Masilela, and this is my YouTube channel, my YouTube page. I don't know how to introduce it, but it's basically everything and anything about cooking. Whatever I feel like I want to cook, I'm just going to share it with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Maybe sometimes I'll think of posting videos, maybe going out, eating out by restaurants, and then see how that goes. Because the other time I was supposed to upload a video, well, recorded, but I was sick. I had a back pain, I was admitted into hospital, I had hives, I had sinuses, my vessels inside my nose were also like starting to bleed out because they were like infected. It was just chaos, drama, over the top. It was just horrible and I didn't enjoy anything about it. But anyway, so now I'm back. I was supposed to do the introduction to the video that's going to follow this opening is the video that I was supposed to do the introduction, but I didn't. I just got into cooking as if like people know me, like as if like I'm famous, and there's no such. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my previous one, and thank you for watching this YouTube video, well, the video that's going to follow. And please do like, subscribe, and comment on anything that you want me to do or anything that you'd like to see me doing. And if you do enjoy it, please do let me know that, oh, Bonolo, you're doing such a good job. Hello everybody. Oh, I'm back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming. It's been a very long time coming. I wanted to record a few stuff, and then I ended up being sick. I literally became sick. It started with my back, and then I had like hives, and then what happened, I had sinuses, and then it was just all over the place. I think for the past 3 weeks, every single week something new has been happening. But today I'll be cooking from outside. As you can see in the background, that's where I'll be cooking. And today I'm actually doing lamb chops, because then I was like, you know what, the family bought so much lamb, I was like, let me just try something with it. I wanted to do some lamb shanks, but I don't actually have some red wine, so I was like, you know what, it's fine, let's just do some chops and show you guys how to make some yum juicy chops. And today I don't have a lot of ingredients, I don't have a lot of recipes, so that's fine, it's just basics. This video will be really short, to the point, and let's get with it. Yeah. Okay, now that we're here, this will be my spot, my cooking spot. I decided to take everything outside because I know that I'll be using the mini gas thingy, and then I told myself I'm going to stop saying thingy. I'll be using the gas stove, and then I also have some grilling plates that I'm just going to put on top, like the same ones that I had with the waffles. This time will be just some grilling pans. So let's get to it. I have 2 onions, and I have some cumin. The camera's so far. Wow. I have some cumin. I don't know if you guys can see. I got it from Woolworths. And I also have some coriander seeds, because I don't have some fresh coriander. And then I'm also going to use some coarse salt. This is my coarse salt. I love it so much because it's really healthy and it helps with like your blood circulation. And I also got some hot sauce. Hot sauce. I have some hot sauce that I'm actually working on. If you guys follow me on my social media accounts, you guys would have seen a video where I bought like a whole bunch of bottles, and I'm actually working on the hot sauce. That's the secret behind everything. If you like, don't forget to like, subscribe. But if you like and subscribe, my new subscribers, I promise I can actually give out some free ones, and then this will actually go under the review, because I just need reviews. I'll be shipping them out for free. Well, not shipping, but I'll be distributing them out for free, and I just want to hear people's reviews and if they like it or not. And then if people like it, then I will be distributing it to everyone, or selling it basically. And let's get to it. So what I'm going to be doing is chopping some onions. Chop. So already peeled it and everything, and I'm just going to do it into chunks. I hope that you guys can actually hear me, but I'll be doing it into chunks, huge ass chunks, because I will be putting everything in the blender. You guys can't see the blender, but you will get to see the blender. And then I'll show you guys what to do, because we're literally just doing marinade for the chops. These are my chops. I just place them here because yeah, I'm just going to marinate them. And big ass chunks, don't forget. Now that we're done with this, you know what I think I should do? I think I should actually move the blender and bring it here, because I'm done chopping the onions. I don't know if you guys can actually see them. I should actually move it backwards because I can actually see. But these are my onions, and then I'm just going to move the blender this side so I don't have to like move it that side. So with my beautiful blender, here is the blender. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do. So I'm basically just going to do a marinade for the lambs. So as my meat is here, I'm just trying to be as quick as quick as possible because I'm outside. So what we're going to do is just place the onions in here. Or wait, let me actually do this. And then I'm just going to take some oil. Not too much because you don't want it to be dry. And then, ooh, don't fall, baby, don't fall. Okay, so now that my onions are in here, I'm also going to take some coriander seeds. You know what, just for the sake of you guys, I'm just going to say, oh, I have my teaspoon. Let me take my tablespoon. There's also a teaspoon. Actually, I have quite a lot of things. So I'm just going to take a tablespoon of coriander seeds. I love coriander. Oh, and I don't roast them. Most of the time, it's a good idea to actually roast them because it actually takes out the full flavor. But I'm not about that. Will that be enough? Okay. Let's just make it 1 tablespoon and a half. And then what I have is some cumin. I love cumin, so I might actually put in 2 tablespoons of cumin, basically. Okay, let's make it 3. Okay. So it's 1 tablespoon and a half of coriander seeds, or you can use fresh coriander if you want to. I just don't have it. And then 3 tablespoons of cumin. And then I'm also going to take my sea salt, of course. And then I'm only going to put 1 tablespoon, just 1, not too much. You don't want salty food. Okay, now that we're done, I'm also going to take my hot sauce. I'm not going to place any garlic because my sauce already has some garlic in it, so it will be really unnecessary to actually like put in more garlic and everything. So I'm just going to dribble it in. Yes. Woo. Okay. So now that we're done, now that I have my hot sauce in, I'm going to blitz. So we're going to blitz, but not too much. We don't want it runny, but you want it like, you know, a little bit thick. And that's it, done. Okay, so I didn't blitz this for too long because I wanted it to be thick. I'm just going to remove it. My meat is back. And then I should use this. Whoa, guys. My mother would make me pay for it. Would make me go buy it. That's a definite situation. Anyway. So I'm just going to take this marinade and I'm going to marinate the meat for like 2 hours. But it's really simple. Oh, and it smells amazing. It smells divine. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take my chops and I'm going to place them in here. And we're going to get nice. We're going to, you know, gotta massage it and let it cool. It must relax so that it's ready for the heat. Guys, I'm outside, so the sound of cars. The gate is literally right here. Like our house is like 2 houses away from the gate, so it's like it's busy. So we have the marinade, and we're going to put it in with my spoon. I love it. I should actually taste it. Who's sending me a text? Oh, never mind that. I hope it doesn't stop my video recording. Okay, there it is. The flavor is really pungent, but I love it. So we're going to mix. My parents are also in the house, guys, so you might be seeing some background movement at the back. It's my parents. Definitely my parents. My dad might even come out. He likes things that way. So we're just going to literally mix so that everything is in. I love this. It tastes Woo. I thought of actually putting in some barbecue spice. Then I was like, you know what? Let me just make it as simple as possible. So we're mixing, we're massaging it. You know, you have to, you know, give it that nice rub and let it be well incorporated. Imagine massaging the whole meat. So these are my chops. It's at the marinade. So I'm just going to let it marinate for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna put it on the gas stove, and then I'm gonna take my grilling pans, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, not too much, just a little bit, so that things don't stick. Doesn't wanna come out. Whoops. Anyway, then I'm just going to brush it all over. Because it is hot, like literally it is hot. I just hope that you guys can actually see. And this is the reason why I did this outside, because I didn't want too many, it's not even fumes, but I didn't want the smoke to be inside the house. Anyway, so this is on high heat. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to place the lamb chops on top of these grilling pans, and then I'm just going to do it, I'm just going to sear them for like 2 minutes to 3 minutes on each side, and then I'm just going to lower the heat, and then it's just going to be like 5 minutes, I think. So I'll just see. Basically, I just hope that you guys can see. Okay, that it's fine. So let's do this. I'm going to I had to come closer so that you guys could actually see my meat, and here it is. This is the meat. It smells so divine, but it's done, and then I'm just going to put the rest onto the pan, the grilling pans, and then I'll show you guys when everything is done. Okay, so I'm done with the first batch. Now I'm going to do the second batch, and I'm going to repeat the process all over again, and yeah, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Please do like, subscribe, and comment on anything that you want me to do or anything that you'd like to see me doing. And if you do enjoy it, please do let me know that, oh, Bonolo, you're doing such a good job. But for the